Hello viewers, I am H. Manibharati, final year student from Department of Commerce, KCS Kastar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to briefly discuss about standard costing. These are the topics we are going to see under standard costing: meaning, definition, uses, components, objectives, advantages and limitations. Firstly, in this slide, we are going to see the meaning and definition of standard costing. Meaning: standard costing is a process and technique of accounting in which actual cost incurred or compared with predetermined cost. On the basis comparison, efficiency of operation is determined and necessary corrective measures are taken if there are some variances. Then definition. According to H.J. Weldon, standard costing is a method of ascertaining the cost whereby statistics are prepared to show the standard cost, the actual cost, the difference between these costs, which is termed as variance. Here, secondly, we are going to see the uses and characteristics of standard costing. Uses, first point, to provide a formal basis for assessing performance and efficiency. Second point, to control costs by establishing standards and analysis of variance. Third point, to enable the principle of management by exemption to be practiced at detailed operational level. Fourth point, to assist in setting budgets in an organization. Fifth point, to motivate staff and management. Sixth point, to provide a basis for estimating. Seventh point, to provide guidance on possible ways of improving performance. Then we are going to see the characteristics. First point, determination of standards. Second point, computation of actual cost. Third point, comparison of standard and actual cost. Fourth point, computation of variances. Fifth point, ascertainment of reasons of variances. Sixth point, study of options. Seventh point, presentation of reports to the management. Thirdly, we are going to discuss about the objectives and advantages of standard costing. Objectives. First point, cost control. Second point, management by exemption. Third point, develops cost consciousness attitude. Fourth point, fixation of prices. Fifth point, fixing prices and formulating policies. And sixth point, management planning. Then advantages. First point, to measure efficiency. Second point, to fix prices and formulate policies. Third point, for effective cost control. Fourth point, management by exemption. Fifth point, valuation of stocks. Sixth point, cost consciousness. And seventh point, provides incentives. Lastly, in this slide we are going to see the limitations of standard costing. Limitations. First point, difficulty in setting standards. Second point, not suitable to small business. Third point, not suitable to all industries. Fourth point, difficult to fix responsibility. And fifth point, technological changes. Thank you all for listening to my video.